26th Constitutional Amendment Bill was passed, marking a significant victory for the people of Pakistan. This amendment not only restores the rights of the public, but also strengthens the independence of the judiciary and ensures a more just legal system. It stands as a historic decision for the nation, promising a brighter future for Pakistan. With the passing of this amendment, the era of judicial martial law has come to an end, ushering in a new phase of hope and progress for the country. It highlights that the stability of democracy and the protection of constitutional rights are key to the nation's development. The 26th Constitutional Amendment further empowers the people, reinforcing the very foundation of the country. Judicial independence and the supremacy of the Constitution have been reinforced, promoting the rule of law and guaranteeing a brighter, more secure future for all. This amendment is not just about the end of judicial martial law, it represents the triumph of the people and the victory of justice. It paves the way for a Pakistan where the rule of law and the protection of public rights are firmly upheld.